Alright guys, so here we are. The importance of having a home inspection is that, you see this? These are all bees. All bees. And it's the beehive. All those bees are right by the fireplace, obviously. And we're going to use this infrared camera. This infrared. And this is how you see if there's a beehive. And boom, right there. That's how you know there's a beehive. Right there. And the reason why there's a big, glowy, hot spot is because bees are nice and warm. So that's where the problem is. So how do you fix this? You call Bee Guy.